Hello everyone, welcome to today's SMC Discord tutorial. And today I'll be teaching you guys how to use different Discord boosts and how to get them, and also the benefits of having this boost on your Discord server. So let's get right into it. Alright, so here's my Discord server, and today I'll be using the SMC DAO tutorial Discord server to teach you how to access the Discord boost, Nitros, and the purposes of each of these boosts. So first off, before I go right into the video, I'd like to talk about the Discord boost. The Discord boost, they come in different forms. There are different packages in it. So we have different packages, and the purpose of each of them is they are unique to each other depending on the one you are getting, right? So let's get right into it so you understand what I'm talking about. So first off, you click on the arrow by the Discord name over the search channel. You click on it. Here you see boost, invite, notifications, and settings. You click on the boost, and right here you see there are different levels of boost. You have the level 1, the level 2, the level 3. The highest is the level 3. So right, each of these boosts comes with different perks. Like you can see in the level 1, we have the first one. In order to get this boost, you get, for getting the boost, you get 100 emoji slots, Kifi animated server icon, and you have a better audio quality when you are joining voice channels and you are speaking, right? And also, when we look at the level 2, we realize that the level 2 has a better option. So you keep on getting better options as you progress in your levels. Like when you use different levels of boost, you keep on getting better qualities and better perks for the amount you spend on it. So for the purpose of today's videos, like, okay, let's talk about the level 2. The level 2, we have 1080p stream quality. You can send larger files over 50 MB upload. Usually I think the maximum amount is about 10 MB for non-boost users, but here you can send as high as 50 MB. You have custom role icon, server banner, and these perks can go as high as creating custom emojis and stickers that can be used in different Discord servers. So now let's say we want to use for level 1. For the purpose of this video, let's boost for level 1. So let's get right into it. So you click on boost the server. Here you see the Nitro and also the boost plans. The Nitro plus boost plans, however, the Nitro itself is used to customize your Discord profile, your banner, and also your bio. But for the purpose of this video, we are only going to boost the server alone. So scroll down, click on one boost. As you can see, I've already set up my smart card on my Google Play. Then you click on subscribe, then you purchase. Okay, as you can see, I've subscribed. Yeah, no thanks.